Metro 2033 is a first-person shooter survival horror video game developed by 4A Games and published by THQ. It was released in 2010 for the Xbox 360 and Microsoft Windows. The story is based on Dmitry Glukhovsky's novel of the same name and is set in the ruins of Moscow following a nuclear war, where the survivors are forced to live in underground metro tunnels. Players control Artyom, a man who must save his home station from the dangers lurking within the metro. Metro 2033 is played from a first-person perspective. Players encounter human and mutant enemies who can be killed with a variety of firearms. Alternatively, players can employ stealth to evade or silently kill enemies. Ammunition and other necessary items must be either scavenged from the bodies of dead enemies or purchased from vendors. Some areas of the metro tunnels, in addition to the Earth's surface, are covered in fallout radiation, and the player must wear a gas mask to explore these areas. If the gas mask is worn while in combat, it may be damaged, and the player must quickly find a replacement before they die. Metro 2033 received positive reviews from critics. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.